Norris recently created a documentary about the US and Iran. If you have seen this video, you might have noticed those around that cinematic border. In this video, I'm going to be doing a breakdown step on how to create this cinematic border. The first method is going to be on the edit page, and the other method is going to be on the fusion page. Please like and subscribe. All the assets are linked down below. We are going to start to our first method, which is going to be done on the edit page. So the first thing you have to do is to drag in your clip, then disable your clip. After disabling your clip, the next thing you have to do, go into your effect panel and search for solid color. Drag it into your timeline. Make sure they are of the same length. Change the color to white. Go back to your effect panel, and search for adjustment clip. Drag it into your timeline as well. After dragging it into your timeline, go back to your effect panel and search for color border. Drag it into the adjustment clip. Then go into your inspector panel, the color of your colored border to black. Reduce the border width so it becomes much bigger. Then increase the sub edge, corner radius, also increase the corner radius. Then close your inspector panel and go back to your effect panel. Search for noise distortion and drag it into your adjustment clip. When you drag it into your adjustment clip, make sure you go back to your inspector panel under noise distortion and reduce the contrast, then increase the detail. Then scroll down and until you see sets. What you have to do is keyframe the set at the beginning, at the end of your clip, then increase it. As you can see, you'll notice this wavy effect around your footage. Highlight both your adjustment clip and your solid color. Right click, then select new compound clip and name it border, whichever name that pleases you. Now right click again. After saving it as border, go to your inspector panel and scroll down until you see composite. Under composite, change it to multiply. When you change it to multiply, all you have to do is now enable your video clip, which you disable at the beginning. You are going to have something like this around your clip. So if you want to add the black and white effect, go to your effect panel and search for CCTV. Drag it into your clip. You're going to have this black effect. So as you can see, there are some text on it which you can decide to modify if you want text on your clip. But if you don't want text on your clip, all you have to do is go back to effects, then text control. You can decide to erase all the texts. As you can see, let's go to method 2, which we are going to create on the fusion page. Bring back my clip, right click, open in fusion page. All you have to do is go into your media pool and drag in your green screen overlay and put it in your timeline. Click on your overlay green screen, hold shift and space and search for data here. Add it. Go into your inspector, click on the dropper, place it on your screen. We have this effect around our clip. If you want to get the black and white effect, or you want to give it that vintage look, click on your merge node, shift and space and add in a film damage. Then scroll down until you see depth density. Increase the depth density. We're going to have this black. You can decide to increase the size or reduce it. To give it that black and white look, all you have to do is hold shift and space. You're going to have something like this color corrector. Go to inspector tab and reduce the saturation. It is now black and white. I hope this was helpful.